me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep
Hi
looking
guys,
at you.
I'm back with a human hair weave that I'm super excited about because this isn't a curl pattern that I've never tried. I got it from our friends over there at Reshine Hair. Y'all know I absolutely love them. Some of my most favorite human hair wigs from 2023 I got from Reshine Hair. So I'm super stoked. If you look in the description box, you'll see a direct link to this wig, all the details, all that jazz. Okay? But I'm excited because I've never tried this pattern. So not only do they include the wig, they also put some HD stocking caps and some mink eyelashes in the box as well. But I'm ready to get into this wig. So this wig is 16 inches long and it's in a curl pattern called Ocean Wave. And I've never tried Ocean Wave before, but when I saw it, I said that is super cute and I want to. Okay, so check out those curls on Ocean Wave and how pretty is that. I just knew that I had to review it because I was like, this looks right up my alley. It's in between like church mother, PTA mom, and I'm neither of those, but I like that look, right? Not only are those curls super cute and I'm ready to see how they look, we have done so many of these units by Reshine Hair. Look at how that hairline looks right out of the pack with nothing done to it. They've already pre-plucked everything. There's no lace to cut off. I mean, they have just done a bomb job with the front of that unit. We have reviewed so many units by Reshine Hair that have this same construction, but never with this Ocean Wave curl, so I'm excited to see what it looks like. As far as the rest of the construction of this wig, you get this band that's pre-attached to the wig that's gonna make it lay super flush to your head, and it is adjustable, and you get quite a bit of parting space at the top as well. Okay. So I'm gonna put this unit on with these beautiful Ocean Waves and play around with it, and then I'm gonna be back with my final thoughts, you guys. Be right back.
Tell me how to have you seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say, yo, tell the girl I wanna meet her. On second thought, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. I think I'll say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave, miss. I saw the dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow is ours. You say you don't really dance. Don't worry about it, we just one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast, grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. You got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave, how I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I think I'll say yeah. I don't know your name, but excuse me, miss. I saw you from across the room, and I gotta admit that you got my attention, you're making me want to say oh. I know you're trying to leave, I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, yo baby. I wanna be where you are. Ain't nothing wrong with dancing, baby, it's so romantic. Baby, I can be where you are. So many things I wanna tell you. I think that I should start by saying yeah. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it. There she is, I gotta stop her. Oh yeah. You're trying to leave. Oh, I saw you dance with you. How I love to keep you here with me, you baby. Everybody just clap your hands like this. Just clap your hands like this. And if you shorties in the house tonight, just grab her by the hand, homie, you can understand. Y'all believe to me.
Y'all, Ocean Wave might be my favorite new curl pattern. This is so unbelievably gorgeous. Of course, the way Reshine does their, you don't have to do anything to it. It comes just straight out of the pack looking good. But these curls or waves are just to die for. I'm in love with this unit. I gotta have this in a longer length because I think that these waves are just absolutely gorgeous. We've done a few of these wigs by Reshine where you don't have to do anything. There's nothing to cut off. The air wig, that's what some companies call them. I'm pretty sure that's what Reshine calls them. And they truly are a throw on and go. This one is just right up my alley because of the length and these curls, these waves for days. I didn't have to put a curl. Now, some of y'all probably looking like, sis, you need to put a curling iron to it. But I didn't put a curling iron to this. I didn't do anything. And that's how the curls came, just picked out. I am in love with this. It fits really comfortable on my head as well. I 1010% recommend that you go check this one out from Reshine Hair. You can do so much because of the part space you do. You can do some half ups, some half downs. This is just a gorgeous unit that I definitely recommend. Click in that description box, click that link, it'll take you directly to the wig. My mama gonna try to take this. I can already tell. Until next time, y'all, which will be very soon. Bye.